What are you doing, Dimitri?
I'm doing Rachel Darlington's technique of tidying up the hostas by pulling out the slug damaged leaves.
Sure.
I learned that on one of her videos. You know her?
Do you realise that video got so many thumbs down?
Really?
I guess people clicked into it thinking I was going to give them a solution to
slug
slugs.
problems. Live with them! They're just part of nature. I don't want to make it too bold.
Yeah. That's the trick. Obviously you watched the video till the end.
Yeah, go to the base of the leaf and just pull. And anyway, hostas, they're so lush. I mean, they grow and grow and grow. And once they're established, I think it's... Oops, wrong one. Once they're established, I think it's hard to kill.
Yeah.
And hostas, so you can just go for it.
They make new leaves so quickly.
Yeah. Especially at this time of year. Maybe at the end of the season they wouldn't, but now it's spring.
I think it's people who aren't used to herbaceous plants that will worry about doing something like that, because trees and bushes, you can't just go willy-nilly cutting off branches that
I mean,
don't
that's not orchids.
No, it's not orchids.
Why do we ever want it to grow orchids? Those are so simple. And they look great.
And have you any more tips for us then, Dimitri, in this little mini video?
For hostas?
Yeah.
Well,
for anything really.
actually, I never tried, but I heard that if you can put garlic water on them, and slugs and snails don't like to eat them anymore. Have you ever tried that?
No, never tried
Maybe
it.
you could try it.
Okay.
But I would take the one without the bud because...
Cell blast on the way back.
Well, I don't think it will survive. Well, there is a tiny bud coming. That one I can get a chance, but the cactus itself looks good, I think. That one is also nice looking. Ooh.
I have that one.
I also like the pot. Well, I would need to drill a hole in it, but...
Yeah. Or you could put it in a plastic pot inside that pot.
Yeah. Cactus extra. But I think that's called a hibernacola. That's the bud they form when they go dormant. So that one is obviously dormant, or starting to wake up, I guess. That's not a common one to find in a garden center. Nidiformis, like a nest. How much?
Aha! I would have to try, and it's just...
Oh, actually, that table looks good. Oh, look at that Podophyllum.
What do you see?
That's a Podophyllum, isn't it? See the seed pods already.
Yes. It's a
buy 41.
I like it over there when they're just unfurling
Yeah.
the leaves.
It's like you can get that something really exciting is about to happen.
Yes.
Yeah, that's probably good. No, but I remember from last time the Cordyline that was up to me in the ground, and I'm happy to see that he didn't lose it this winter because he had a lot of snow here.
That's right. Lots of snow.
And it's perfectly placed. You see, like the sunlight is shining right on it, and you have the other plants that like a picture. But you don't want it to grow. You want to stay that size, right? When it's too tall, you cannot appreciate it anymore. But that's lovely.
Ah, yes, always. Always.
You don't know where to start.
I know. Jimmy's is always like this, and so many plants that, you know, you want to take note of to look up because you never heard of them before.
No?
Okay.
What is it?
What does it smell like?
It has like kind of dead meat quality to it. But it's not as bad as the Arons and Amorphophaluses and so on. Oh, look at the intermediate. It's a very dead one. Like flying little spiders.
Yeah, I think Jimmy has a nice collection.
Yeah. It's not totally hard, but that's interesting.
What is it? Tell me.
That?
Yes.
It's a sap hole. And that's how they made Jurassic Park. That's the short story.
Look out for the velociraptors.
Yeah. Looks more like something had a huge egg. That's actually a really nice color. It's better than the one up there. Can you get that? Because it's really heavy.
Did I got you already?
Ooh. Even veggie. I didn't know he grew vegetables. Look. Decaf. Decaf are really hot on Instagram too lately. There are people like only growing decaf, but they're really wrong.
well.
You should make a video for your channel with us.
Yeah, you could do that.
idea.
Yeah. I'll put the camera away and you can go
Ja,
picture
jag
camera.
går